guys, it's Al up at Electric City Harley-Davidson up on Route 6 in Scranton, PA. I'm going to do a walk around on a beautiful 2024 Road Glide, vivid black and black trim. Here it is, a beautiful 2024 Road Glide, vivid black with black trim. This is a whole new platform from last year's bike. Redesigned fairing, tank, saddlebags. Saddlebags actually hold more than they did last year. Let's start at the inside of the fairing with the 12.3 screen. I absolutely love that. I believe the bike looks more aggressive with this change. New LED lighting in the redesign. 117 cubic inch, up from 114 last year. We have some accessories on this bike. Let's start with the wedge intake. Also a stitch back seat from Harley-Davidson. Beautiful design. This bike has 6-inch riser on it, along with the Harley-Davidson's Moto Bar. And docking hardware. Hey, thanks for watching the video. If you need any information on this bike or any other bike we have in our inventory, please give me a call, 570-483-0883, and just ask for Al.